बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। This is all about ideas. Signing in. And I am going to share with you a most beautiful and very stunning seashell centerpieces decoration ideas. These are very beautiful and very stunning and very classy. Seashell centerpieces decoration ideas for you guys. So viewers, remember me in your prayers. These are super incredible and very amazing and very classy seashell centerpieces decoration ideas for you guys. Keep supporting my channel, viewers. Keep watching my videos. These are very unique and very stunning ideas for you guys. So viewers, if you want different other kind of craft videos, then you must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. Always take care, guys. Always be happy. And these are very stunning and very pretty collection for you guys. Hope so you enjoyed these type of seashell craft ideas. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. These are super incredible and very beautiful ideas. Follow for more details, and these are very beautiful and very amazing ideas for you guys. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. These are very beautiful and very amazing and very unique ideas for you guys. Follow for more details and keep watching my videos. Keep subscribing my channel. Always take care guys. Allah Hafiz.